All right, so many thanks for just staying with us. We'll quickly go onto the phone lines and just get some updates on the consumer price inflation, which is inched from 16.8 to 16.9, an increase of 0.1%. Kafui Amaga has joined us on the line. Many thanks for joining us, Kafui. This morning, let's find out. We see consistent increase in inflation for some time now. The biggest question is, are we to see the trend continually rise?
Thank you, Kwaku. The trend for inflation, as we look at now, will absolutely go up a bit. If you look at the rate, as you rightly said earlier, it's 16.8 previously to now 16.9. If you even look at the consumer price index itself, it has also gone up marginally from 144.3% to 146.9%, which is telling you that averagely the prices of goods and services to which consumer can buy is going up. So automatically it's going to also have a very huge toll on even consumers as to how much volume of basket of goods and services they can buy. So if these prices continue to go up, it is definitely going to affect consumers, and it will have a bigger toll on the economy as well, Kwaku.
I've been worried about our inability to curtail the Ghana cedi against some major trading currencies for some time now. Now, has this played any role in seeing prices also go up? When you look at the Ghana cedi against the US dollar, probably the British pound, and also the euro.
Kwaku, indeed, if you look at even the foreign exchange market, the cedi has depreciated against the dollar about 43%. And if you look at the rate at which the cedi has depreciated against the dollar, it is telling you that absolutely prices are going to go up, because we will need to change huge cedis to be able to get the dollar before we can do importation. And once we are going to do importation, the moment we bring the goods in, we need to convert it back into the cedi by thinking about how much we are going to change. So as long as the cedi is not stable against the dollar, absolutely prices are going to go up, and this is going to have a huge effect on the economy. So it behoves on us as a country to be able to check the rate at which the cedi is depreciating against the US dollar. That will make the country stable. That will give some respite into the pocket of consumers, and now consumers can feel that they are having some respite, because as long as the inflation goes down a bit, you can feel that you have some more cedis in your pocket to be able to buy more goods. If this does not, we don't check this, then absolutely we're going to face some challenges in the coming months to come.
All right. Just before you go, yes, you suggested, you put out some few suggestions, but generally, what can we be doing as consumers, as people who buy and sell, as a country, as workers, to ensure that we ourselves are contributing in our own little way to ensure that prices of goods and services do not go up?
Kwaku, if you look at the local industry, and then we are talking about food production, then that one we can have an effect on the prices, even that one to even a limit. But if you are looking at export commodities, we have no control over the pricing. As long as the cedi is depreciating against the dollar, then we will have a challenge. As long as inflation stays where it is, we have no control about it. But we should be able to check this as a country. When inflation is coming down, when we are matching the cedi against the dollar, and as I always say, the dollar is being speculative, because people are now speculating the prices of the dollars, and they are doing hoarding, because instead of people keeping their monies in cedis, they are now keeping their monies in dollars. And in that case, the prices of dollar will keep going up. So once there are speculative demand for the buying of the dollar, we will not have the cedi matching the dollar absolutely. So we need to take out that speculative demand, and then we can have the actual value for the cedi, and this can go on well with us as a country.
All right, thank you very much, Kafui Amaga, for joining us, giving us some updates about the inching up of inflation, CPI marginally. That's from 16.8 to 16.9 as the Ghana Statistical Service yesterday.